year. My friends and family all gonna be here. I finally get to take a break from my career. You know how we do it. Kids taking pictures with every Santa Claus. Mama's running, trying to get that baby doll. Last minute shopping as she's dashing through the mall. Cause Christmas is here. It's not another ordinary day, but it's the time our love we give away on this special day. Oh man, Christmas is my favorite holiday. Kids outside making angels in the snow, lovers kissing under